Our esports program here at Syracuse University does things that no other program prepares learners for. And that's transferable skills that we get our students to understand through hands-on experiences that goes with the classroom learning. So learning skills like event management, social media marketing, media, broadcast production, journalism, graphic design, with that hands-on learning that we have here at Syracuse, is gonna get these students all the skills they need to find a valuable career right out of the gate when they graduate.
We're really excited about this program and how our students are going to be able to go into the industry, not only work in esports, but they'll be capable of working of any sporting events as well as production itself. One of the wonderful things about Syracuse University and Newhouse in particular is that we listen to our students. We are trying to make sure that we have everything our students are looking for, whether that's creating new courses or creating an entire new program.
We provide our students as many opportunities as possible to network with industry professionals across the board. We take students to places like Berlin and Amsterdam and Korea, to places domestically like Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., New York City, to work with these outside organizations and companies to make sure our students have that chance to go work events, volunteer at events, to go work with industry professionals, network with them, sit down with them, hear their stories.
We are already seeing so many of our students graduating and working in the esports industry, whether that's working for companies that are representing esports teams, if that is representing players themselves. We're also seeing a lot of our students go on to work in the production side of esports, writing for esports, publications. We're creating the opportunities here, and we're seeing our students find or create the opportunities out there.
We've got the best facilities in the country. I can say that with complete confidence. We have 2 completed gaming and esports facilities right here on our campus. One of those facilities is in our Barnes Center at the Arch, which has about 36 PCs, some consoles in there, some VR stations. Our second space is in our Shine Student Center. That is our gaming and esports center. That also comes equipped with a full-scale broadcast and production element, but we're not done yet. We're building our 3rd esports site. That is gonna be in what's called the Marley Education Center, complete with study rooms, team rooms, a huge esports auditorium with 150 seats for fans to come and watch our varsity teams compete from the stage. And the most exciting part to me is a black box studio for pre-game, post-game shows, podcasting. Whatever our students can dream up for esports production, we can make happen in that new space. Syracuse has offered a joint degree program where students are actually part of 2 different colleges and schools, the Newhouse School, the Falk College. These are 2 world-class programs that our students get to be part of very intimately and take advantage of the resources and the expertise and the faculty that are part of both of these schools and colleges. When you combine that varsity opportunity, club opportunities, recreational facilities, professional development, hosting events, with all the things that our academic program has to offer, in addition to the world-class offerings already here at Newhouse, already here at Falk College, that is an experience that you won't find anywhere else, that you absolutely need to be part of.